How to save the default theme in Messenger app. Hi everyone, this is Rose from Create Login and Delete. Without further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, launch Messenger application on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Tap OK button to change to your notifications and then open a random chat from the chat section where you want to save the default theme. So currently we have the default theme in Messenger app. For demo purpose, let me change it to another theme. For that, get back to the eye icon at top right corner of the screen. And here, you will see different options. And on the customization, select the words effect. So in this current updates of Messenger, there is no such option to change the theme. But if you have the old version under customization, you will get the option of theme where you can set it to different one. But recently, due to the updates of Messenger application, the theme has already been set to the default one. So you can easily find out this messages also has turned on the blue color. That means it has already the default theme in Messenger app. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.